Starting a YouTube channel at 70 or even at 80, it's never too late. Written by Emmanuel Francis Tentahul. Have you ever wondered how fortunate we are to still be around in this amazing age of digital content? We have lived through many changes: black and white television, transistor radios, cassette tapes, and the dawn of color broadcasting. Now, in our golden years, we find ourselves surrounded by smartphones and endless streams of content on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. Most of us enjoy watching videos online, whether it's cooking recipes, family stories, travel vlogs, or old songs from our youth. But have you ever thought about creating your own content and sharing it with the world? With just your handphone, you can start a YouTube channel and discover a whole new way of keeping your mind sharp, your creativity alive, and your stories preserved for the next generation. Why start a YouTube channel at our age? Number 1. Keep the mind active. Learning how to record, edit, and upload videos gives our brains a workout. It challenges us to keep up with technology, improving memory and focus. Instead of letting time pass us by, we can engage with something new and stimulating. Number 2. Share a lifetime of wisdom. At 70 or 80, we carry decades of stories, experiences, and lessons that younger generations may never find in books. A YouTube channel allows us to document these treasures: our family histories, cultural traditions, or simply our reflections on life. Number 3. Stay connected. Many of us are spread out from our children and grandchildren. A video message, a story from the past, or even a cooking demonstration can bridge the distance and keep family bonds alive. Number 4. Leave a legacy. Imagine your grandchildren and great-grandchildren watching your videos years from now, hearing your voice, seeing your smile, and learning from your wisdom. That's a gift no photo album alone can give. What can you share? The beauty of YouTube is that there's no single formula. You can make videos about cooking and recipes, traditional dishes that younger ones rarely make today, storytelling, childhood memories, village life, or how things used to be, hobbies, gardening, music, or handicrafts, reflections, thoughts about life, faith, and lessons we've learned, travel and lifestyle, even short clips from your daily walks or trips around town. Getting started is easier than you think. All you need is a smartphone. No fancy camera is necessary. Record in natural light and speak naturally, as if talking to a friend. Uploading to YouTube is as simple as sharing a photo on WhatsApp. Over time, you can learn basic editing, add background music, or even subtitles if you wish. A final thought: life doesn't slow down unless we let it. Starting a YouTube channel at 70-80ths may sound unusual to some, but why not? We are living in a time when sharing our creativity has never been easier. Instead of just being consumers of digital content, let's become creators too. So next time you open YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, don't just watch someone else's video. Pick up your phone, press record, and let the world hear your story. Because it's never too late to start something new.
Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles I guess still happen now and then. Step into my heart, leave your cares behind. Welcome to my world. Build with you in mind. It seems it was only yesterday that I was young. Yet, in a way, it seems like eons ago. I know that I have lived them all, and I have glimpses of how it was back then, and of all my hopes and dreams. And now here I am, in the twilight of my life, and it catches me by surprise.
Sing my soul, my Savior God, to Thee. How great Thou art, how great Thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to Thee. How great